This video is an introduction to deploying Wechaty's simplest bot, the Ding Dong bot. So I've navigated to Wechaty's Getting Started GitHub repository, and this is a simplified version of the Wechaty project that's meant for beginners to get familiar with Wechaty. So we can easily deploy the Ding Dong bot. All we have to do is first clone the project locally. Then we'll go ahead and cd into our project file, and we'll first use make install to install all of our dependencies that we need for deploying the Ding Dong bot. Just note that this requires already having Node.js and npm installed on your local device. With everything installed, I'll go ahead and open the Ding Dong bot file, and first taking a look at the functioning. This bot produces a QR code for whichever service you choose, and it will log actions like scanning the QR code, logging in and out, and message data so that if it receives a ding message, it will automatically reply dong. And down here, you can add specifications for your Ding Dong bot, but we can first run the project file as is without any changes. The last puppet I'm going to introduce is the WeCom puppet. So to set this up, we're first going to set our puppet variable, like always, to this time be Wechaty puppet service. And then WeCom also requires some additional changes to get set up here. So the first thing we'll do then is we want to set our TLS insecure client to be turned off. So WeChat and WhatsApp previously do support the TSL security client, but WeCom is currently not compatible. So we need to turn this environmental variable off when we are working with the WeCom service. And then we can go into our Ding Dong bot file, and we're going to scroll down to our bot builder here, and we're going to add the puppet options like we see in the comments here. We're going to add our puppet options, and we're going to add a token. And a token is obtained through our PA chat. There is a 7-day free trial, or it is available for purchase. This token looks a little something like this. It is called a Work Pro token. It looks like this with a string of numbers. And there will be more information about how to obtain a token for using WeCom from our PA chat in the video description. But once you have a token, you would insert it here, and then you are ready to make your bot. So I'm once again sharing my device now with WeComs, and I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code and then log in. And now I'm going to open WeChat with another user, and I'm going to send the ding message, and we'll see that I automatically reply dong.